Are you looking for the best professional drones? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best professional drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bingchat AE Pro Drone. The Bingchat drone offers an impressive range of features designed for both convenience and quality. With a touch-screen controller that doubles as a tablet, you can easily access apps, social media, and more while flying. Its 4K HD camera, paired with a 3-axis gimbal and anti-shake technology, ensures stunning video and photo clarity, enhancing your aerial photography. Plus, with a flight time of up to 84 minutes using 2 batteries, you can capture long, uninterrupted footage. The drone also boasts a remarkable range of up to 5 miles, allowing you to explore vast areas without losing connection. What we like: long flight time, 4K HD camera, touch screen controller, 5 miles range, multiple smart functions. Number 2. Veeniix V11 Pro Drone with 8K camera. The Veeniix V11 Pro Drone offers an impressive 8K camera, allowing you to capture stunning images in high-quality 4K video at 30 frames per second. With its advanced digital transmission, you can maintain a stable connection and view your drone's flight up to 6 kilometers away. Enjoy extended flight times with 2 batteries that provide a total of 80 minutes in the air, while fast charging keeps you ready for more adventures. Plus, the 3-axis gimbal ensures that your footage remains steady, making it easier for you to capture professional-grade videos effortlessly. What we like: stunning 8K image quality, extended 80-minute flight time, stable 6 kilometers video transmission, 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage. Number 3. Holyton HT70 4K GPS Drone. The Holyton HT70 drone offers impressive features for capturing stunning aerial footage. With its 4K camera and advanced Sony lens, you can enjoy vibrant colors and detailed images, making your memories come to life. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth, stable video, even in windy conditions, so you can film with confidence. Plus, the night mode allows you to explore after dark, delivering captivating visuals that showcase the beauty of nighttime landscapes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this drone makes aerial photography effortless and enjoyable. What we like: high-resolution 4K camera, Sony lens for vibrant colors, stable 3-axis gimbal, night mode for low light. Number 4. Gleesfun G11 Pro 6K Drone. The Gleesfun G11 Pro Drone is designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. With its advanced 3-axis brushless gimbal, you can capture stable and clear footage, even in windy conditions. The high-resolution Sony camera allows you to shoot stunning 6K photos and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second videos, ensuring every detail is vividly represented. Plus, the innovative cruise control technology simplifies the flying process, enabling you to focus on capturing cinematic quality shots without juggling multiple controls. Enjoy extended flight times of up to 70 minutes with its smart battery management system, allowing you to spend more time in the air and less time recharging. What we like: high-quality 6K and 4K video, stable 3-axis gimbal, extended flight time, cruise control for easy operation. Number 5. DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo drone is a lightweight and user-friendly mini drone, weighing just 135 g, making it easy to carry anywhere. You can launch it from your hand with a simple button push, eliminating the need for a controller. With AI subject tracking, the drone effortlessly follows you, allowing you to capture stunning videos of your adventures. Plus, it offers various control options, from voice commands to a mobile app, ensuring that anyone can join in on the fun. Whether you're at a family gathering or on a hike, the DJI Neo drone makes filming memorable moments a breeze. What we like: lightweight and portable, controller-free operation, AI tracking for easy filming, multiple control options.